Okweto mwitoku kwirwe nyemwe bazyo obw'abanyishengero abarukushitama akakiiko k'ebyamashanyarazi obwiga bwo mwitaka aka energy minerals and natural resources kakwatanise nabo abarukukorera ministry by'amashanyarazi obabiire nibarambura district ya Mitooma barukurebuza sente za gavumenti zakozesibwe naho kwetaaga kongerwaho ezindi.
But we have had challenges now. These people, the service providers, the Umeme and the Kirembe people, they don't serve our people. People apply for power, but when you have not given those service providers something on top of what they are supposed to pay, those people cannot give you power.
Itwe Nyakahanga tunezverije harimo abantu nkabiratana. Tari chikondane chikono chikoma. Atecho nyoni chotena nimbashaba. Nanamiza nagoga kazayo gakecweka nago tugarawira.
Changirwa ngo hariho ebikondo ebyatirwa mu district age konka hatari mu mashanyarazi kandi ahandi bakasiga batimba ebyina byonka.
Emyaka eriyoneza kwa wanje ebyarengere binyonanye ntanka kubireba n'emyaka nkesha tibyine wayahiguru two sub counties.
Alex raised an issue, someone who has some coins takes the poles to their side. But if we had site meetings planned like other projects, we could do better.
They are running their factories on these generators, and you know the effects of that. So now that you're here, I request actually you pass even via my press there. Even myself, I have no power.
Ori chairman w'akakiiko aka akwatanise na kamishana w'ebyamashanyarazi bikirizine kumaraho ekizibu eki ekihirwe y'abebembezi ba Mitooma batyo nikwe kurabura kukwata abarukushaba abantu sente.
The project was launched here, the scale-up project. What we request is that local leadership please spread the message so that everyone is aware to avoid extortion.
Yes, kati babade bagamba nti batusasudde tofuna masanyalazi line ya masanyalazi. So tugambye ba chairman batuwandikire batubulire abantu abo bagamba nti basaba masanyalazi naye baganyuba masanyalazi.
Abanyishengero bashikire na hamwanyo gwa mutaka mines aho bashangire hari ebyo bwiga bwo mwitaka ebero kwika mushanjo no bashangire ngo abachina bakatomuhanda ahansi y'amakaga abantu bitaba babarabwire.
So what if there is an effect that when my house is on top of that tunnel you are making, my house is not affected? We need to engage the communities and let them know that the trend is very long.
Our focus is to see how we empower the mineral sector. We have realized that one of the things that can help Uganda to be able to fund its own budget is supporting the mineral sector. Now, the mineral sector being operational means that it must be a win-win situation for both Uganda and the investors that we approach.
Egombora ezitakashikirwa mu mashanyarazi abanyishengero bahingwize okongera sente ngugazeyo gasha kwa Mike Twachire.